Fires Cat Forum, YouTube. And shout out to those guys over at Sword Nation Forum, hanging out at Backyard Cutters. This week I'm about to embark on a series of videos showing the destruction or partial destruction of several Ronin Katana, 1060 and 1045 Katana. Today I'm just going to do a little disassembly, a peep under the hood as it were, Ronin Dojo-Pro 1060 Katana. And it's raining, so let's take a peep under the hood, shall we? Now, it's pretty simple to take apart this katana. Personally, I'm using this little kit here. It's a real cheap one, Master Hero, maybe. Something like that. I picked it up off a floor member when I bought some stands. You have to remove your Makugi in order to remove the katana. This is a Makugi Nuki. Now, the Makugi are tapered and they go in slanted from either side. So it's important to look at the suka and find the small end and hammer that out. This is just a little big to do anything to get started, so I have a little punch I use as well. So we'll just tap out Makugi, get that started. Just lay that aside. It's my front one, so I'm going to lay it first. Okay. Now we got Makugi out. Now, go ahead, remove the blade from the saya, especially the saya on whenever possible, because it eliminates accidents. But in this case, I like to use a leather glove or a towel to grip the suka, or the blade, excuse me, to remove the suka. But what you want to do in this case is hold in the suka, use this hand, and just hit yourself on the wrist here. Come unseat in the kago, and then grip the blade using the towel, and there we go. There's our suka, our fushi. Well, it'll be a little difficult to remove our suba and our seppa. They're seated on there kind of tight. Keep from marring the suba. Just lay a sock on it. There's one of our seppa. Our suba. On this one, it probably doesn't matter which direction you place it. I'm going to place it face down so I know which way I can on. Here's our other seppa. And our habaki. And there is a disassembled Ronin Dojo-Pro 1060 Katana. Let's get close in here. Maybe you can see the May. Maybe you can't. But that's it. Now you have disassembled Ronin Dojo-Pro Katana. Nice Chicago. We'll take a look at the suka. We can see it's channeled to accept the Samagawa panels, as it should be. Nicely built with no cracks. Very nicely done. And I love the nice plain iron furniture. So, shall we put it back together? You can really just follow the reverse instructions I just gave you, but for the sake of thoroughness, let's put it back together. Don't forget to put your seppa back on. Seppas are spacers, and also crucial for shock transference. When a katana is properly built, the manouchi, the shock transfers down the blade to the baki, the seppa, and disperses out, not being absorbed by the entire suka. So it helps avoid cracked suka, stuff like this. You have to look for a flow, for continuity, for a stiffness there, which we definitely see on these Ronin katana. Now we're just going to hit it with our hands. Now our hands are a little soft to do that, so I usually keep a rubber mallet on hand for this. Let's just go ahead and use the my cooking nuki. Just tap that suka back up into place, because that's the tight spot we're dealing with here. Tell you what, let's use our other tool that we didn't need before. Try to tap that thing on up in there. And that's it. Let's slip our makugi back in. And we have disassembled and reassembled our Ronin Dojo-Pro 1060 katana. Thanks for watching.